Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Follow-up video on the $20 smartwatch. I didn't put it on till just recently, so all my numbers are crazy low, but that's okay. So just to kind of catch up, this is like 20 bucks, and it comes with, on Amazon, and it's called Gloryfit, Gloryfit, and I'll put that in the description. And it comes with a silicone band, just black one, and it's a 22 millimeter. And I went and replaced it with this bison strap. I want to say it's about a $10 strap, but it's a Velcro. It's a stretchy Velcro strap. Man, can't really see. Got a new tripod here. But I wanted a strap that was more like the old school Velcro kind for analog watches. So this one's been really nice in my opinion. So I put one of the, I believe this is the Sun. This says it's CAN Pass watch compass. And the bezel spins on this one. And it glows, the northern half of the compass glows, as long as this arrow indicator here also glows. I haven't had any issues with it. The watch is what I really wanted to talk about. So when you get one of these watches, you have to download an app. And don't have a pencil out here. Got an ink pen on my fancy wallet though. Chickens are just being mean pants. So this is, come on, Gloryfit. Is the name of the watch and the app you have to get. Would y'all quit fighting? Never mind. They don't listen. Hey! Sorry, they're still messing with my hens. I'm gonna catch that one if he comes back around. But I got 3 roosters, 2 of them's got to go. This is maybe the last time you get to hear me fight with 3 roosters. We'll put them in the freezer. Anyway, you will take and download this app from Gloryfit. You can find it in Google Play. This is Android, so. And from there, you can do all your settings. You can set your time, miles or kilometers, that kind of thing. So depending on which system you use for measurements, you can swap that. Also, something that I got that was additional was the covers. I got these. Hey, stop it! I'm about to have a chicken ass kicking thing out here. But sorry. So this was like a 5-pack maybe. I will put the link to them in the description also. But this one slowly started getting loose around the edges, and I would just take my knife when it got loose and just kind of carve it off, and it kept it fairly flat. But I haven't removed this one. I doubt there's any scratches on it because the face of this really doesn't have any scratches. So the band and the covers is basically all I've got for this. But anyway, go in this Gloryfit and set up the way that you want things. So you can go in here, and there's a bunch of different ways that you can do things. I'm gonna have to play with this while we're on here. So this is where I can connect it to my cell phone and receive text messages. I do not have that hooked up because where I work, my watch and my phone can't be synced. Like, I can't have my phone on the floor and this would count. So depending on what you have here, you have flashlight, and all that does is turn bright, and that's your flashlight. Some volume, how you set up your stuff. So like that one's a grid like that, and then this one's like this. That would be what you can see on the front. Let me back out here. Like this would be in a different configuration depending on how we go through it. Like I said, none of this is hooked up, but all you gotta do is go in this app and you can turn all of that stuff on. I don't ever use it. I take it off when I sleep. I take this and this first bracelet off every night, and then I only shower with this stuff, so it comes off. See, it's got to be against my skin to pick anything up. But there's another one on here, this blood oxygen. I've never used it, but this guy normally keeps up with everything, and it'll keep it in a log of like your weekly stuff. The weather's cool. I think it hasn't been connected today, but I think it's nice to know the weather on there. That's, in my opinion, that's pretty nice. But you can go, I actually don't know how to get to it. You can change the way all this looks if you take your time and go through it, which I can't remember how to do it. But you can change how that stuff looks. But I can't remember how you do it now. You can make it where, well, there's all your weekly data and all that kind of stuff. I'm slacking today. All my other days are pretty good if I remember to wear it. But there's all kind of stuff on here. I don't have a lot of it turned on. Like I said, the weather and my steps was something that I was curious about. And I got this guy before Christmas just to check him out. Like I said, it was about 20 bucks. If you figure in all of the other stuff I got, I probably have $40 in this watch, counting the band and the compass and the screen protectors. But I'm not using it to the fullest extent of its capability, you know, so somebody could probably get a lot more out of it if they had all that stuff turned on, but I don't. That being said, with what little bit that I do have turned on the watch, I can... Gotcha. This is him. This is who's being bad. Quit being bad. Sorry. The charger on this thing is these two little dots, and it's got a magnet on it. So you put the thing on there, it says click, and like locks onto it. It's gonna be loud now. If I charge this, so if I go to bed at 8 o'clock and I get up at 5:30, this dude's fully charged. I get 2 full days out of it, and it is down to probably 10% battery or so, maybe 20% when I get home the second day, and then I recharge it. But if you went on a trip that was going to be, say, 5 days and you didn't bring a charger, this thing's going to be dead way before you get back. And the more you have turned on here, the more battery it's going to go through. So the battery life on this thing may not be the best in the world, but I can't compare it to anything. I don't have any other ones. This is the first smart watch that I've ever worn. For time and weather and the odometer, whatever you want to call it, pretty cool. I'm going to say it's worth the 20 bucks. It's pretty cool. There's so much stuff on here. Here's that I was talking about. So like where I was flipping right to left, that's this top one. If we do, let's do Rubik's Cube. So now it's going to have everything that kind of loops around like that. I'd figure out how to turn it back because I can't remember how to do that. Here it is. There. Anyway, pretty cool watch for the money. I'll admit. Like I said, the steps was the biggest thing that intrigued me because I didn't know how much I travel, but it looks like I travel between 5 and 7 miles a day on foot and average about 14,000 steps. Sometimes it's 12,000, sometimes it's 16,000. Just depends on if I'm working on equipment on the floor or not. So pretty cool to watch. My heart rate, I don't really pay much attention to that, but it's nice to have the day and the date on here and the time. Like I said, the weather's cool, pretty neat. I've been pleased with this guy for 20 bucks, like I said. And this bison strap, if you do get one of these, 22 millimeter, is what it is right where it attaches. All right, guys, I just wanted to follow up since I had worn this thing for a few months. I appreciate all the support. You can check out all of the older stuff, including past videos and content on this on our Instagram at Bushcraft Kelso. Will find it. Gizmos and Gadgets, bushcraftkelso.com. Yeah, feel free to like and subscribe. Follow along. We got more coming. But y'all, this is the Gloryfit $20 smartwatch. Later.